Hi guys. So we have an arithmetic progression, question over here, which is quite intriguing because it is somewhat abstract. At the same time, what I feel is this is very important, as if you will get this, you ought to know the way you crack them. Okay, so since they're talking about finding the first negative term of this arithmetic progression, provided the first term is 121 and so on and so forth, right? So how do you deal with this? Because we are talking about the term which will gradually reduce and end up being the first term, okay, before 0. All right. So it has to be in negative. All right, guys. So let's see how do we go about this. Okay, so pay attention. This is very easy, but we have to know the way you deal with it. Okay. So primarily when we start, we try and find out, okay, from the given AP, what is our A? A is definitely 121. Now, what is D? As you know, it's a common difference, okay? Common difference between the terms, okay? Which means we have to minus 121 from 117. Excuse me. So we get minus 4. Alright guys. So when we will have extracted these two information, next our target should be to lay out the formula for trying to find out that n term. Okay, so we know that an is equal to, okay, a plus n minus 1 and d, isn't it? So in this case we have a 121, n we do not know, which is what we are trying to seek. This is d is minus 4. All right guys. Now having done this, we need to simplify this to make it smaller and contracted. All right. So this will come as, okay, minus 4n and minus minus plus 4. All right. Next, further simplification. So plus minus minus 4n and plus 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 4, which means 125 minus 4n. So another revelation, what is that? That our an in this case ought to be lesser than 0. Do you get it? And why so? Because we are seeking the first negative term of this AP. Correct guys? Since we have found this equals to this, so do we not write 125 minus 4n, okay, for this lesser than 0, isn't it? And so what do we have? We have 125 and we take 4n to the other side, simply as we do in normal equation. In this case, okay, this turns to be a positive. Therefore we have n, okay, equals to what? N is greater or smaller? Okay, definitely greater, because this is on this side and the mouth of the croquis opens this side. So I'm sure you remember we used to do this when we were in lower classes, Crocky's mouth as they were called. Okay, so we have now n 125 divided by 4. Since this is an improper fraction, we have to convert this into a mixed fraction. So we have 31 1 by 4. So clearly now we can't have an answer in mixed fraction. It has to be in integer. Alright guys. So what next? Yes, you're correct. So the least integral, okay, value of n should be more than this, okay, because n is greater than this, which is 32. Now having done this, we have found out our n, which will be the first negative term. Alright guys, so our answer therefore is that 32nd term, okay, of the above AP is the first negative term. Okay, so that's it guys. So I hope you have understood. This is a bit, okay, twisted, and but there is a way to do it. If you master that, I am sure you will be able to understand and do well in your exam. Okay guys, so all the best for your exams. I hope you have understood. This is one of its kind. I'm going to just pick up, okay, different kinds of sums, usually which pupils find it little difficult to align with or understand. So they will be all kind of, okay, different types. Okay guys, so have a great day. Enjoy teaching you all. Thank you. Bye bye.